In this video, we will show you how to assemble and operate your GREENWORKS shop blower vac. We have featured our 24-volt model. However, this guide can be followed for all GREENWORKS shop blower vacs. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Carefully lift the blower components out of the box and set it down. Remove the manual and any loose, unassembled parts. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have used the product. Assembling as a blower. Please note, the position of the tube will depend on the function you wish to use. To use the blower function, align the grooves on the unit with the tabs in the blower tube. Turn the tube in the direction of the arrow until the two tabs lock into position. The collection bag is not to be attached when using the blower function. Assembling as a vacuum. To use the vacuum function, connect the collection bag to the front machine by aligning the grooves on the unit with the tabs on the blower tube. Turn in the direction of the arrow until the two tabs lock into position. Following the same procedure, attach the blower tube to the connection on the air vent. Ensure that the power source is connected. To start the unit, squeeze the trigger. The speed is adjusted by the pressure applied to the trigger. To stop the unit, release the trigger. It is recommended to empty the bag after each use. Remove the bag and discard the unwanted debris. We recommend customers wear safety glasses and a dust mask for this task. Clean the bag at least once per season or as necessary. Here's how. Remove the bag. Turn the bag inside out. Hang the bag up and clean it using a hose. Hang the bag to dry. Turn the bag right side out and install it again. Blower operation tips. To keep from scattering debris, blow around the outer edges of a debris pile. Never blow directly into the center of a pile. Use rakes and brooms to loosen debris before blowing. In dusty conditions, slightly dampen surfaces when water is available. Vacuum operation tips. Tilt the tube toward the debris you are looking to vacuum. Use a sweeping action to collect light, unwanted materials. If the tube or impeller becomes clogged, remove the power source along with the blower tube to check for clogs. Turn the impeller to ensure that it is free of debris and clear the tube. After use, disconnect the power source. To clean the machine, wipe it down with a cloth. Do not use aggressive detergents or solvents to clean the unit. Ensure that the air vents are clear of debris. Examine the machine for damage, missing, or loose parts such as screws, nuts, bolts, and knobs. Be sure to replace and/or tighten all necessary parts prior to your next use. When not in use, the blower should be stored indoors in a dry, locked location, out of the reach of children. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your blower, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS blower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.